I'm just going to enjoy my break and not think about school.
Hi guys, I'm Ziz.
Them other girls want me, but like you, I want them. I don't know. Shady like this kind of thing, we come out to oh no, no. Let it look at the things you do, make me know.
Hi guys, so this is my last day of exam and I'm starting this vlog right now. I'm so late to school. I have a practical exam this morning. I just thought to start this vlog before I leave. And yeah, bye. Okay, I posted my first YouTube video and the views and the turn up was not really nice. So I felt unmotivated. I was like, nobody cares.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she's 10.
I look so
She a baddie with her best friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad as like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like 1 million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad.
Your life, what are you doing to your life? My phone storage is full. I need to leave. Right now, I don't really know where I want to go, if I can go where I want to go. But then I still need to leave. I need sun to touch my body. Like I've been indoors. Unless I look, it's horrible. Anything else, you'll see it in the vlog. I am very, very late. Like I have a lot of things to do today, but freshen up and head out. I already bought out the clothes I was going to wear, so I don't know if I'll do a get ready with me. For you, walking up and down is very hard. I hate coming to markets. Oh God, here's my hair going back. Oh God, oh, wow. Ma?
Hi guys, I'm Zizi. Hi guys, I'm Zizi.
Honestly, I'm so stressed. Like, I know it is showing on my face right now. I'm really stressed. But I left my house and I had a list of things to do. I wanted to visit some places in Lagos and all that. So I left to the market first of all because I was on TikTok the other day. Somebody went to the market and made a video of where she got her equipment or something. This particular vendor sells things like at a cheaper rate. When I mean cheap, it's not. I was shocked at the prices. You guys want to kill us on Instagram? Open it. This is what the inside is like. The lights. See, like this. I'll place it like this. I know. Can you see it? It's bright. I think this is the warm lights. Sun is another sunset, whatever. I don't even know what colors. Then this one is the white light. I don't know if it's that bright. The 10 inches ring light is not really big and it's not really bright like the other inches. So because we don't have light, I've gone to my power bank. This is the light. It's not really bright, honestly. Like, but I didn't expect much. I was so surprised that they gave me this tripod stand. I thought I was supposed to buy it separately, but I think that's not really strong. My tripod stand is having issues. I've gotten a tripod stand just like that. I don't know if the quality, like the audio quality of this video is good. Oh my god. There is there's a microphone.
Mary had a little laugh. Honestly, this is very, very, very funny, and I'm so happy.
Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, I know. I've been off ever since. I think this does not compliment my outfit. Wait, let me take it out. Anyways, I just came up here to like talk a little bit, trying to like go out to the cinema. And yeah, I don't know, this outfit is giving me Wednesday. I just wanted to do, you know, simple nighttime something. You get? So that's just it. I'm about to head to the cinema right now, and I'm going alone, by the way. A solo date. Like, I've been dreading this. I've been like, will I enjoy this? I'm going on a solo date with myself. I want to be tired of doing nothing. I'll see you guys at the cinema. Bye.
So you two don't call each other Peter?
I know I look so crusty and tired, but I enjoyed myself. Like, solo date is really fun. I'm going to try this out. I was bored at some points. I was tired. I enjoyed myself. Let me go and freshen up and you know rest. See you next time. Bye.
Good morning. Today is Monday, 15th of July, and I don't really have much plans for today. Mondays are lazy days for me because I'm jobless. I need to take out my cornrows. It's already looking so old. That's why I had to tie the scarf. Welcome to a day in my life as a jobless student. I'm not even trying to like go back to school anytime soon. So yeah, I'm still on a break, and I'm just going to enjoy my break and not think about school. Yes. Although we have resumed, but I'm on a break.
Crazy, I get you right in my space, but I
and here is really dirty, so I need to clean it up.
We are sit the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we not sped, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but you don't know from the first time we see you, love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you. You got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep for you. Everyone falls in love.
So I just put the rice on fire. You can see how old it is. Like it's really, really old. So I'll use it and wash it. Today's wash day, I guess. I'm always using this mic because my environment is not quiet. My baby is crying in the background, and this mic is cancelling all the noise from the background. That's why I can only hear my voice. At this point, I think I should buy an extra storage because after creating different shots, my phone storage is filled up. And I was recording. I cannot record long recording. Very annoying, I swear. My virgin hair is still where it is. It's not even long. I just pick it to make it long. I think it's the length of my hair. I know you not. I don't think you notice that it's virgin because I transitioned from natural to virgin. What did I say? I transitioned from relaxed to natural. Yeah, wash it and bye.
My hair is really dirty, as you can see. So I put it into four all this thing so I can wash it. So tired.
2,000 years later.
Today is very, very, very chaotic. But let's go.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jealous.
So I'm escorting my sister to various places. Why? I have nothing to do. Yeah, so we're going to different places and now we're heading to the salon. And yeah, I'm even anyways. I think fringe is my thing. Like this week is easy.
Try and come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Y'all on this side, y'all over on this side. Hey. About all your insecurities for what?
It's the long guy updated anybody. Yeah. I'm going to go and make my hair right now. You know, back to school hairstyle. So something very simple, not really hard. So yeah, I'm going to go and make my hair. Yeah, they opened.
Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah.
You know the hair will not even have length because they fight. The hair is because of them. How do I feel about this hairstyle? I don't know.
She wants your name, and yo, I'm only doing cash out. I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise.